This is Lucid Air. And this is DreamDrive, our ultra-intuitive, advanced driver assistance system. Think of DreamDrive as your invisible co-pilot. DreamDrive Pro, the most comprehensive version of DreamDrive, has over 30 features that enhance your driving experience, with many more coming soon. The first thing you'll notice about DreamDrive is that you'll hardly notice it at all. It's so smooth and sleek that the learning curve to unlock its incredible features is virtually non-existent. Thanks to its serious camera suite, surround view monitoring offers a full 360-degree view of your car, giving you eyes on all sides. It has an impressive 32 sensors, all seamlessly integrated into the design that see things the human eye cannot. And with a fully comprehensive vision package, short and long-range radars, an array of ultrasonic sensors, and state-of-the-art LiDAR technology, DreamDrive's ability to precisely scan and pinpoint everything around you is uncanny. On the highway, DreamDrive really shines. Because Lucid Air is one of the only EVs with LiDAR, a high-resolution laser scanner, DreamDrive's sensing capabilities are remarkable. With LiDAR and the rest of the sensor suite working together, DreamDrive is among the most advanced ADAS systems when it comes to object detection, display accuracy, and safety. All of this technology enables highway driving features designed to help keep you safe, while making Lucid Air even more delightful to drive. Highway Assist helps you maintain optimal positioning on the freeway. Lane centering control specifically takes care of your in-lane positioning, while Adaptive Cruise Control helps you effortlessly maintain a consistent and safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. And with driver monitoring, DreamDrive can identify and alert you when your eyes are off the road. It will even suggest the closest rest stop should you need to recharge or grab a quick cup of coffee. DreamDrive's HMI, or human-machine interface, elevates the highway driving experience. At all times, you'll know exactly which driving mode you're in. Its clear and natural HMI utilizes visual, audio, and text cues. DreamDrive also uses surreal sound, Lucid Air's fully immersive 21-speaker system, to deliver clear directional alerts. This enhances safety features like front and rear cross-traffic protection and autonomous emergency braking. And when it comes to connectivity, our Ethernet ring, the connection of the 4 gateways at each corner of the car, provides in-car communication at gigabit speed and unprecedented redundancy for key systems. The parking situation, DreamDrive makes it happen. From day one, DreamDrive Pro is prepared for what's to come. This means your Lucid Air is hardware ready for the future of driving. Soon, enhancements to Highway Assist like Lane Change Assist will be available. And eventually, Highway Pilot with hands-off, eyes-off automated driving, plus remote control features like Automated Park Pilot will be available too. Once these capabilities are ready, you'll get them with a simple over-the-air update. These updates deliver the latest advancements automatically to your vehicle, keeping your car on the cutting edge. No new hardware required. To truly understand the power of DreamDrive, you have to experience it for yourself. As the smoothest, most intuitive, and most stunningly beautiful ADAS system out there, it's only fitting to call it DreamDrive. to complement your dream car.